Write a short note on derivative action. A derivative action or derivative suit is a legal action brought by a shareholder on behalf of a company to enforce a right that belongs to the company when the company itself fails to take action. It is called a derivative action because the shareholder derives the right to sue from the company's own right. In simple words, when a wrong is done to the company and those controlling the company refuse to take legal action, a shareholder may file a suit on behalf of the company to protect its interests. A shareholder bringing a derivative action must show that he attempted to obtain action from the directors, management, or other shareholders and explain why those efforts failed. The shareholder must act honestly and represent the interests of all similarly situated shareholders. The action should not be collusive or filed for personal gain. Need for derivative action. Normally, the directors decide whether the company should initiate legal proceedings as long as they act in good faith and in the best interests of the company. Their decision cannot be questioned. However, problems arise when the directors themselves are responsible for the wrongdoing. For example, engaging in competing businesses, neglecting the affairs of the company, misusing company's property, diverting company profits for personal benefit, taking business opportunities belonging to the company. In such situations, the company suffers loss, but the directors are unlikely to authorize the company to sue themselves. Therefore, the law provides the remedy of a derivative action. Features of derivative action. Action is filed by a shareholder or member on behalf of the company. The wrong complained of is a wrong against the company. The company fails or refuses to take legal action. Any benefit or compensation obtained belongs to the company and not to the shareholder personally. The shareholder acts as a representative of the company. Importance of derivative action. Derivative action is important because it protects the company against dishonest directors and officers, prevents misuse of managerial powers, safeguards company assets and profits, ensures accountability of management, protects the interests of shareholders and stakeholders, promotes good corporate governance. Relation with the rule in Foss versus Horpotle. The rule in Foss versus Horpotle provides that where a wrong is done to a company, the company itself is proper plaintiff. A derivative action is one of the important exceptions to this rule. It allows shareholders to sue when the wrongdoers control the company and prevent it from taking action against them. Conclusion. Thus, a derivative action is a remedy available to shareholders to protect the interests of a company when those in control refuse to act against wrongdoing. It enables shareholders to enforce the company's right, recover losses caused by directors or officers, and ensure fairness, accountability, and proper corporate governance.